Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Hulu account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to hulu.com or open the Hulu app on your device. Step 2. Click on Log in the top right corner and enter your email address and password to access your Hulu account. Step 3. After logging in, check for any verification notifications or prompts that appear on your account page. Step 4. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner, then select Account. Step 5. In your account settings, look for the email verification section under Your Account or Email. Step 6. If your email is not verified, you'll see a notification or button labeled Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. Click on it. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Hulu with a subject line similar to Verify Your Hulu email address. Step 8. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will open a browser window and automatically verify your email with Hulu. Step 9. You'll see a confirmation message on the Hulu website indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 10. Return to your Hulu account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified. Step 11. If you signed up for Hulu through a payment method like PayPal or a mobile carrier, additional verification may be handled through that service. Step 12. With a verified account, you can stream content, manage your subscription, update your payment method, and access all Hulu features, including downloading shows for offline viewing on supported devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.